get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die.
Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video. And in today's video, we're actually going to be taking a look at a product that was sent to me by NAYAD. This is their classic tumbler. Let's get into it.
I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy, I overdose. Cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time. But baby, then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you.
Some important things to know about this tumbler is that they come in many different colors. As well, it is just also a very minimal and sleek design. Most of the tumblers on the website are about $22.99 or basically $23, except for one actually, and the only one that I see on the website that is above that price point is the marble finish tumbler. But I mean, that should explain it all because it's kind of customized pretty much, but everything else on the website as far as tumblers go is pretty much $22.99. This tumbler can keep your drink cold or hot for at least 6 hours. Of course, that is with the lid closed. And as well as this thing shockingly feels very premium. I wasn't expecting it to feel this solid of a unit, but I can most definitely say that if this thing takes a little slight fall to the ground, it will most definitely hold up and keep your drink inside of it. And another thing that I wanted to point out with this tumbler being so affordable is the fact that it also came with a straw and as well as a little cleaning device to clean out the inside of the straw. Like, that's so clever. Like, it's just the little things that this company is doing right, and as well as the price point that it's set, that is just making this an amazing steal of a deal that I could recommend to anyone. My only concerns about this tumbler is how long it'll last and the durability of the paint on the outside from scratches and all types of things rubbing against it. Only time will tell, and I'll give some updates on Twitter and Instagram. Make sure to follow me there if y'all want to see how the thing is performing over time. And as well as if you do happen to lose the cleaning utensil that came with the tumbler that cleans out the straw, then you're kind of screwed because it's very hard to find utensils that are that long and that thin to go through and clean your straw, so then your straw basically almost becomes useless because it's dirty. If I had to grade this tumbler though, I would probably give it an A. It's a solid build quality, like I said, especially for the price point only coming in at $23. There's no complaining with the build quality or anything about that. The only thing that's really holding it back is just me not knowing how it'll do over time and the wear and tear on the paint. But just overall, I would have to give it an A. And also, I would just like to give another big shout out / thanks to NAYAD for sending me not just one, but 2 of their classic tumblers. I really appreciate them showing love to the channel and reaching out for me to review one of their products, and hopefully we can do it again in the future, guys. I had fun reviewing this, and as well as if you guys would like to pick one of these up, I will leave a link to their website in the bottom of the description, so make sure to go check their website out and get you one of these. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything for this video. I appreciate y'all coming back and watching another one of my videos. Make sure and stay tuned because the next video is right around the corner. Peace.
Hi, Charles's video. Like and subscribe.
Get you one more time. I really